Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are here for the first time, I'm Gina Louise. Sorry, once again, I'm not on camera. Thanks to this self-isolation, I need a complete makeover. Anyway, today for our DIY, we are going to make sea glass bottles from bottles that you would just normally throw out. So I guess you could call this a trash to treasure, but all the other items we're going to use are from the dollar store, and the paint you can order from Amazon. You will need bottles that you're going to throw out. Sea glass paint, I will put the link below. Hot glue gun, rope, seashells. That's all from the Dollar Tree. First, you're going to take your bottles outside after you clean them and take the label off, and you're going to spray paint them. I did one bottle in the green sea glass, and I did the other one in the aqua sea glass. I think I used about 3 or 4 coats on here. The blue looks a lot darker until it dries and then it lightens up, but it is definitely darker than the green. I took a handful of seashells and I painted half of them the sea glass blue and the other half I painted the sea glass green. Are you ready? Now I took my painted bottles, they're dry. I took my rope from the Dollar Tree, I took my jute from the Dollar Tree, my hot glue gun is nice and hot. And what I did here was I just took the rope, I hot glued it, and I just wrapped it around the bottom about 2 or 3 times. Now I'm going to add some twine to the top of the bottle, or jute. Is this jute or is this twine? Does anyone know the difference between jute and twine? If you know what the difference is without Googling it, write it in the comments below. I'd like to know if you know the difference. So now I'm just adding some of this to the neck of the bottle. Now I'm hot gluing some seashells to the hanging pieces of jute, and I'm going to add some more, as you're going to see in this video. I start to tie some bows at the neck of the bottle, and all the hanging pieces I hot glue different shells to it. I'm using a popsicle stick to push the twine down onto the shell with the hot glue so I don't burn my fingers. But I'm sure you guys know that by now. There you go. What do you think? I think it came out so cute. Now let's do the blue one. going to make a jute bow for this. I'm just going to keep making loops. And after I have, maybe 6 loops I did, then I'm just going to tie it in the middle. And then I'm going to tie it around the bottle. And then I'm going to add more shells to the little pieces that are dangling. I ended up adding a little bit more like bling and pearls, and here are the final results. I hope I've inspired you to craft with your stash and to craft with stuff you'd normally throw out. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more DIY videos and trash to treasure, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.